A question often asked by students as well as teachers is, can you compare IB and AP chemistry? So that's advanced placement and international baccalaureate chemistry. These are both courses that offer potential college credit to students in chemistry. The resources that were used to come up with this comparison include perhaps the final say on AP Chemistry, which is the College Board website. They're the people who create AP Chemistry and all the AP courses. The IB Chemistry website by International Baccalaureate International, IB International, it's a little redundant. And a site from Cambridge Coaching, a forum of people who have taken the course and what they had to say about it, which I encourage you to click on. And if you have the online version of this should be clickable, whether it's the PPT, the PowerPoint format, or the PDF format. Here's a link from that compares crediting policies in detail from Worthington High School. Generally, the AP system is 5 points and the IB system is 7 points. And here in Guilford High School, we do have the resources available from a teacher that is only 20 or 30 miles away who teaches both, and that's Dr. Bob Rafka, a former Guilford High School teacher. And we've been corresponding so that we can get a good understanding of what to expect here in our inaugural year at Guilford High School teaching IB chemistry at the higher level. The types of programs are different fundamentally. The IB chemistry program is a diploma program, which means it consists of an interconnected series of courses. People don't have to take it as a diploma program, but that's how it's been designed in an overarching theme. AP Chemistry is one of 37 different individual AP courses which students can take a la carte, if you will, any selection of them that they want. And they can potentially get college credit, and they're taught at a college level. The course length is fundamentally different for IB-HL chemistry. It's a 2-year course. It meets for single periods. AP chemistry is a 1-year course, but it meets for a double period every day that it meets. The primary assessments are fundamentally different. Look at AP chemistry. Well, you take an exam, I believe it's on May 7th this year. At the end of the year, you get a score, you're done. For IB chemistry, it's different. It's spread out. 80% of your score consists of 3 different papers, which we'll go into in a later slide. And they call them papers rather than examinations, but they're examinations. And you take them in your senior year. All of the IB students start in their junior year, whereas the AP students can start in a very varied year. Sometimes it might even be in your freshman year taking an AP course. 20% of your assessment overall is a 6 to 12 page paper based on 10 hours of research, which is internally assessed and externally moderated. So that's where your primary assessment comes from. The topics covered are very similar. College level general chemistry topics, college level generally topics. There's a minor amount of organic chemistry in AP, very minor. And there's a lot of organic chemistry, a full unit, which I love, by the way, in IB chemistry. The details within each topic can vary. You'll use cubic decimeters for IB chemistry. You'll use liters for AP chemistry. There's units that are more internationally minded, things like that. But overall, the selection of topics and the depth and breadth of understanding is similar for IB and AP chemistry.